Reading phrases with short "a". Children, read with me. The pot. The pot. The hot pot. The hot pot. The dot. The dot. The cup. The cup. The cot. The cot. Jog and hop. Jog and hop. The sun. The sun. Rot and hot. Rot and hot. The long log. The long log. The lady and the mop. The lady and the mop. Good job, children.